Guys, I'm back, and today I have a small portion of my makeup, and we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. I already have a little bit of makeup on, but not enough, you know. Me and Ethan have a church activity tonight, and we're like part of the committee that sets up for it. And so, it's not for a couple hours, but I figured I would just get ready now because I have a couple errands I need to run as well. So, if you ever see me looking up, that's because there's a mirror behind the camera. Just so you know. But yeah, this is gonna be more makeup than I, like, pretty much ever wear. But I thought it would be fun. So, I'm just gonna take everything out of this bag so that I don't make any loud sounds. Okay. First, I have this. I actually haven't even opened it. It's this matte veil face primer from Ulta Beauty. I know it's all gonna be backwards for you, but whatever. I've never tried this before, but so I guess we'll just try some. And P.S. I'm not very good at makeup either, so don't judge me. I'm going off of my knowledge from like junior high. I might have got too much. I got way too much, but that's okay. I'm just gonna spread this with my fingers. But yeah, so today I went to work and I actually got off pretty early. Just working for my parents' plumbing company, and it's our slow season right now, and so we didn't have a full day of work. So I went and I had to go to the library to print something out for Ethan, and then I came home, and that's what all this is we're going to Ethan's parents' house tomorrow, and so I was packing for both of us, so sorry about the mess. Next, I'm using this Co Beauty Miracle BB Cream in the shade Light. It says Skin Perfecting Beauty Balm plus hyaluronic acid, long lasting up to 24 hours, even skin tone. A lot of my products are like cheaper just because I don't have money. But a couple of them are nicer from before I got married. Okay, let's put this on. This is my second time ever using this, so hopefully I don't put too much on. The first time I ever used it was on Valentine's Day, so it hasn't. I just got it not too long ago. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with this brush. I don't know where it's from. It just says buffing foundation brush. So, and I'm not one of the people that like pats it. I feel like that makes it look cakey on my skin. So I do like actually brush it. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to get an even coat, make sure to blend it into my ears and down my neck. Just try to hide what people don't need to see. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Concealer. And it is in the shade 11 Fair Neutral. And it says medium buildable coverage. This one is a little bit light for me, but I kind of like it. I also got this one on Valentine's Day because me and my husband dressed up to go to dinner, and I didn't have any because all my foundations and BB creams are for my summer skin tone, and it is winter, so okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I might have put on too much. I feel like it's kind of trendy to do the one dot that now, because they say you want to lift your eyes. I don't know. I don't really watch that much stuff about makeup. Mostly what I watch, I'm gonna blend right here. Mostly what I watch on a daily basis is like police body cam footage, because it's super entertaining. And then I watch ASMR, and that's pretty much it. And then I'll watch like TV shows with my husband. Okay, next I'm going to, let's see, what should I do next? Next I'm gonna go in with my, I just realized I forgot. No, I didn't. Okay, we're good. Next, I'm going to go in with this Ulta Beauty Collection Cream Blush. It's like in a stick form. And it's in the shade... It doesn't say shade. Well, there's no shade, but it's really pretty. It like doesn't... It looks more like kind of... Not mauve, but like kind of orangey pink, but it actually, it's a lot different than the packaging color. And then I just swipe it a couple times. That might have been too much, but whatever. And then I take my blush brush, and I like to go up onto my forehead a little bit just to even it out. Okay, and then I like to put some on my nose too. Okay, that looks a little crazy, but it's all good. It's all good. Okay, next I'm gonna go in. This is the tinted brightening, brightening core setting powder. This one actually was quite expensive, but I've had it for a long time, and it's in the shade Light. And tragically, I dropped it. So we're gonna try to not get it everywhere. And I kind of just put this everywhere. I don't know if you're supposed to, but little chunks are trying to come out. Oh my gosh. I need to like repress this or something. But yeah, I'm not really into like the whole like wet look that's really popular right now. I think it looks weird and not natural at all. So yeah, I still go for kind of a more matte, dewy look. Okay, next we'll do my eyebrows. I love this product so much. I just found it not too long ago. It's called the Maybelline New York Super Fluff Brow Mousse. And it's in the shade 260 Deep Brown. So what I do is I open it and I kind of get some off the edge, and then I just kind of comb up and then kind of get the ends a little bit. Don't worry, I'm not done. I'm not done yet. Okay. And then I take my finger and I kind of push it down a little bit. Like that. I know they still look a little thick. I might fix them later, but whatever. I don't really care that much, so. Okay. Next, I will do some eyeshadow. Literally, I have worn eyeshadow twice in the last 6 months, and one of them was my wedding, and then the other one was Valentine's Day. So I'm just going in with some Ulta Beauty Matte Veil Eye Primer. I think I got it as a free gift. I'm just gonna spread this around. It's like really wet. What's it underneath my eyebrow? Okay. Okay, that was enough for both eyes. I think the worst part about putting on like eyelid primer is when it like is sticky and it sticks to this. Yeah, it's awful. It's gross. Anyways, most of my stuff, if you haven't noticed, is Ulta Beauty. I don't know, I just really like them, and they're not horrifyingly expensive. Okay, this one is the Ulta Beauty 5-pan eyeshadow palette. And then this one's called Juicy, Pucker Up, Sweet, Wild Cherry, and Tart. But yeah, so this is pretty much, I have one other eyeshadow palette, and that is it. Let's see, what should I go in with? I'm just gonna put, I didn't really think this through. Maybe I won't use that eyeshadow palette. Maybe I'll just use this. Okay, we're gonna go back to that eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna put this one on across my whole eyelid and call it good. Yeah, that looks good, right? Oh, and this brush is from Morphe. It's the M513. I've had it for years. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that all over the whole lid. There, that looks good. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take this. It's from Wander Beauty. It's the Riviera Blush and Bronzer Palette. And I think I got this one from back when I had a Ipsy. But yeah, so it's got a couple of, it's got like a highlighter, a blush, and 2 bronzers. So I'm just gonna go in with this and put it in my inner corner. just to kind of brighten it up. Did that really do anything? I have no idea. Okay, whatever. Okay, next we have mascara. I have two mascaras to choose from. The first one is from Ulta Beauty. It's the Curled Up Curling Mascara in Jet Black. Okay, it's got like this curled wand. I'm not gonna bother with eyeliner today because that seems hard. I used to be like really into like makeup, and then I kind of was like, well, it's really expensive and it takes a lot of time, so I kind of stopped caring. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do this as a one coat, and then I'll do another coat of the other kind. I didn't grab my favorite mascara ever, which is the Urban Decay. I can't remember what it's called, but the Urban Decay one in like the silvery gray bottle. That one is probably the best mascara I've ever used. I just got it in my eye. Like, you know when you didn't quite get it in your eye, but you can see it? Sorry, I'm touching my eyeball on camera, but whatever. Okay. That is gonna bother me for the rest of the night, and it burns a little, but you know what? It's fine. It's a-okay. All right, next we're gonna put on the MAC Magic Extension in Extensive Black. And this one was dried up a couple days ago, so I put some like saline solution in there, and it seems good now. It's like kind of clumpy, but whatever. Okay. Man. It's like stringy or something. What the heck? For some reason, one of my this eye, the eyelashes always curl, and this eye, they stick straight out. But I don't have an eyelash curler, so I just get to live with it. I've always had really long eyelashes. And when I was younger, they were both really curly, but this eye looks like crap. Okay. Last thing, because I don't have any setting spray, I have this Kiki's Cosmetics Chilling Lip Gloss collection, and it doesn't have a shade on it, but it's like this red color. I think it was from her Halloween collection a couple years ago. I don't know if it's gonna match my shirt perfectly, but for all intents and purposes. I really like Kiki's Cosmetics formula for her lip glosses. This one doesn't have the same formula that I really like, but I like the thicker, very smooth glosses that she does. anyways, this is the final look. You guys tell me what you think. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please give me a subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. We'll see if it happens. But yeah, thank you guys so much for following and for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.